Sorry, I left my camera at home, but so tomorrow we're gonna be packing the orders, and I just came back to office because we have to print the way bill. So there are a total of 250 orders. Yay! And now I'm gonna start printing the way bills right now. See, I have a total of 250 orders, so I'm gonna generate the selected documents. When we print, we always make sure they're like 50. Yeah, correct. And then we start printing.
2 hours later. 8 hours later. The next morning.
Time check, it's 8:52 a.m. and usually we will start arranging the orders because at 4 a.m. Can you see it's 4 a.m.? Yeah, at 4 a.m. Shopee would usually send us this Excel sheet whereby it includes all the information of the drivers. That's why if you purchase from us and we ask you guys to wait for us to give you the driver's details, because we usually would need this Excel form. So if you guys see, our courier is actually $8.50 and you guys are only paying $3.49 I mean, because we are covering the rest of the cost. For those who are wondering why our stuff are a bit more expensive, because usually when you purchase from outside, courier is like $8 to like $10, but we are covering half of it for you guys. Good morning! Oh my god, we are so tired, but we have a bad news because when we came in today, we realized that we don't have enough garlic leek chili. So today we sold quite a lot and there's only 600 here, but we actually need, is it even 600 or 500? We actually need 800 mini garlic leek chili. So right now, although we are rushing for time, I'm gonna faster fill this garlic leek chili while Canon sort out the way bill. So there's actually a total of a lot of way bills to sort out. So we have to sort out according to the Excel sheet that I did in the morning because they're all jumbled up. So let's go! He's writing out the driver's name. And then he'll just sort out the way bill one by one. This is our kind of liquid gold. If you usually get our chili, you'll see that it's filled with a lot of garlic bits which we fried, and then Japanese leek. It's, oh my god, it tastes so good, guys. Okay, hi Muhammad. Yeah, this is Emily from ECBC Spicy Jalan Pelikat. Okay, so you know it's marinated sashimi, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can. Okay, just want to check with you. What time will you be coming?
I think 1:30 to 2 lah.
What? Wow, a lot of people coming that timing, right? Let me see. Wow, a lot of people coming that timing.
Today no choice.
Okay, never mind. You come around that timing, but if you have to wait a while, is it okay? Okay, can. So I think we're actually halfway packing. We are okay. I don't know if we're halfway. Let's go and see how much weight bill we have left. So usually we use this paper bag that doesn't come with anything. So we actually printed our own stickers, and there's like this instruction card which we'll put it inside. So we're gonna manually do it now while we wait for the drivers to come. The driver is here.
Hello, Zhongfeng.
Yes.
Okay, Chongfei, these are all yours.
Okay.
So we have just taken out the ice pack from this freezer. Yeah, can you help me close it, please? Close, please. Let me close it. Then we're gonna bring to our next unit. Ta-da! We are done. Those are last two orders. Fridge is empty. I'm going to throw rubbish now. That's it. I know this is like a very simple / boring vlog, but I just want to show you guys what went on during our first and only sales. I hope that all of you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just to show you guys, our fridge is almost empty with the bottle. Just now it was full with the bottle. It's empty now. Hey, this one is who's your friend's one? Empty. Kosong. Are you tired? Are you excited to go home? Hi guys, so I just came back from my very delicious hot pot that I totally forget to vlog. But you know, usually when we eat hot pot, I would drink my detox drink. Oh my god, look at this shirt. I'm living for it, yo. So anyway, I had a super good hot pot dinner. And usually when I eat hot pot, I will drink this Mofa detox drink. I'll show you guys. I'm no stranger to this product. This product has been viral for like, I don't know, 3 years now. The whole world drinks it every single night, and I'm one of the whole world, by the way. Yeah, so oh my god, please don't splash. Anyway, to be honest, I really hate this shaker bottle. They actually have a totally upgraded one, which is so much better. I hate this one because I feel like it spills everywhere, but luckily they are not like using it. So you just shake it, and I'm gonna drink it. I don't care if I fucking lao sai tomorrow when I go to work. I just hope I don't lao sai. Although most of the time, I will like stop off at like one of the MRT stops just to poop after drinking this. But you know what? It will all be worth it because I just feel so bloated now.
너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니
Hi guys, time check now is actually 6:16. I actually spent the whole of just now gossiping with my mom, updating her about my life and what's happening in my life. I'm actually very happy because if you guys don't know, I've actually been very busy busy spicy, so I haven't really been focusing on M Obsessed, but I'm so happy because this 11/11 we actually sold like 100 orders, which I haven't seen this figure in like quite a while. So I'm actually very thankful for all of you guys if you are watching and you are supporting me, my mom, because I'm just very thankful for this. So yeah, my mom has been here since 1 PM actually to bubble wrap everything. She's very particular. She thinks that it's very important to bubble wrap stuff so that it doesn't break. Okay, she's very OCD about this kind of stuff, but it's a good thing actually. So yep, I'm going to load this and print all the waybills out.
Just ING 내 맘은 아직 ING
It's not a lot actually, but it's good enough for me.
좋아한다고 보고 싶다고 그 말을 왜 못하니 후회할까봐 아파할까봐 망설이는 걸
Hi guys, we got so engrossed in packing that I totally forgot to vlog, but this is the first batch that's going out today because there's actually a second batch, but my other stocks haven't come. So wow, it's been so long since we have seen so many orders at one go, and we are so happy. That marks the end of our 11/11. Thank you all for supporting my 2 businesses and seeing how I live my life juggling 4 jobs. 4 jobs now because I own 2 businesses and I'm working a full-time job. I'm still sort of like a part-time influencer. So yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh my god, what's this? Like and subscribe. I'll be vlogging more often now, only for memory's sake, because I want to look back at my videos when I'm older and see how far I've come in life. So bye guys.